Here's how you can create an awesome video collage like in the new A$AP Rocky DMB music video. I recommend Adobe After Effects for this. Step 1, create a new composition and add in your collage background footage. I went with this drone shot of some buildings. Next, find some interesting shots. I'm gonna use After Effects rotor brush tool to isolate the subjects. You only need to mask a couple of frames because we're gonna loop the shots back and forth. Then go back into your main composition and click Ctrl D on that layer to duplicate it, and then right click and time reverse it. You can pre-comp those layers together and then duplicate them until the clip is looped throughout. And you can even 3D track your clips to your scene. For example, if I want this guy sitting on the ledge, I can right click on my background clip and 3D track the camera. I'll right click on that spot and I'll create a track solid. Go back to our sitting guy layer and enable the 3D layer switch. Now I can parent the sitting guy layer to our track solid we set up earlier. I can open up transform and click reset. And that's it. Go ahead and repeat those steps, add in a bunch more footage, have fun with it, and slap a like to see more tips like this.